the DIY Hydro Dip water bottle.
Yay!
Woo!
And the reason why we are doing hydro dipping
water
at
bottles.
water bottles
We
is
are
because
going camping.
we're going
We need
camping in 2 weeks.
And
We
don't
want
boring
cool water
brown.
bottles. We don't want boring gray. That's just boring.
Yeah, that's just
Boring.
water bottles. So we want cool water bottles with some water in it. Yeah. Step number 1. We have some tape right here, and we are going to tape the parts that we don't want to get hydro dipped. So I am going to be taping the cap and the bottom.
I'm going to be taping just the bottom.
I'll be taping this one and this one. Yeah, just like me. I will be taping just the bottom. Okay, so step 1 was to tape. Johnny, Livia, and Bella already taped, but I'm going to show you how to tape on this. So, gotta get some tape. Just maybe this long. Or a little bit longer. Okay, so. Gonna try to put it like right on the line, but if you can't, that's okay too. Okay, so now that you got like that, just take these and like try to fold it in like that. Try to get it as flat as you can. After it looks like this, then you can go on ahead and get another piece of tape. Like maybe about this big, and you're going to put it across. And then get another little piece of tape, just like we did last time. And we put it like that. After you're done with that, if you want to hydro dip the top, tape the top, you can do the exact same thing. You might need to take the lid off, but I'm not sure I need to. Okay, so basically, as I told you, you're going to pull it down like that. And then, maybe you need 1 or 2 pieces of tape, whatever fills the thing. Again, try to make it as flat as possible. Okay, so I got it all covered up. Step 2.
After we tape what we don't want to be hydro dipped, we spray the primer on the water bottle so the spray paint stays on the water bottle.
Yeah.
Step 2 was priming our water bottles, and I'm going to be priming my water bottle now. We want no drips on the sides. We want it to be smooth, so let's get started. So I just primed my water bottle, and now I'm gonna let it dry for 1 hour.
So Bella just went to gymnastics.
So we might go to the pool, swim for an hour, and we'll be back to hydrate it for water bottles. So.
Yeah! So excited.
1 hour later.
Okay, guys, we just went to the pool. It was really fun. And our hydro
Flasks are dry.
from the primer. And now we have to go to the store and get
We'll
our
see
colors.
you
We'll
in
see
a couple minutes, so
at the store.
we'll be right back.
So let's go. So we're at the store. And
We're in the spray paint aisle.
and we have to pick out 3 spray paint colors. Okay. Okay guys, so I have to pick my 3 colors first, and my dad's getting my first color because I couldn't reach it. It was all the way on the top. And then getting this color and this color right here. I'm next, I'm going to use Lily's colors, and I'm going to pick 2 more colors. So first I'm going to pick this purple, and over here, this blue.
I'm going next.
No, you go last. I'm up next. I'm going to share a blue with my cousin, and I'm going to get this gold and this pink.
Some good colors.
Yeah.
I'm gonna share my sister's blue, and I'm gonna get red and
That's good colors. Yeah. Okay, guys, so we gotta go pay for our spray paint and then go back home and get to hydro dipping. Okay, guys, we just came back from the store. We got our 3 colors, and Johnny's going first.
So I just sprayed the spray paint in the bucket, and now I'm gonna dip my water bottle.
Hopefully it comes out good. I think it's gonna come out good. Yeah. I hope it does. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Alright. Okay. Whoa! That's cool.
This is not really the combination that I wanted, but it will work.
It looks so cool. Yeah, this right here looks like fire colors. Okay, I'm ready to go. I got my blue, my pink, and my gold. My gold. I'll say gold.
Here she goes.
Ooh, here we go.
I wish it could come out good. But
Whoa! I like mine. Okay, guys, I did my colors, and now it's time to dip.
oh, you didn't spread that all the way. Oh no.
Me and Lily's came out.
She forgot to swirl.
I'm done.
I'm done.
I love mine.
Oh,
Look at
no.
the on this side. So cool.
Hers is the best.
So I just spread my thing and do the colors that I used is pink, dark blue, and this purple. So I'm gonna get dipping.
If it works, I'm gonna
I like mine.
Can we switch?
Oh, thank you. I like.
I'm redipping to get a little bit more color, so let's redip it.
If it comes out.
Whoa! His whole thing's covered now. Wow!
Well, this is awesome. I did not expect this, but it will work.
It's great. Okay, guys, we have a special
Special
guest.
guest.
Our other cousin,
Cousin
Dominic.
Hi.
He did his own water bottle too. Yeah, it's right here.
So
And-
we hydro dipped our water bottles. Now we are going to put a clear coat, and
So it
we
stays.
will see you tomorrow with the reveal.
Yeah, because we have to take the tape off. And see
And
how
we gotta
satisfying
spray,
it
so
is.
bye.
The next day.
Okay, guys, it's the next day, and our clear coat is ready, and now it's time to take the tape off. So,
This is what the bottle looks like without the tape. So this is hopefully what our bottles are going to look like without the tape.
different colors though.
All right.
Yeah.
So let's peel. So this is what mine looks like without the tape. Keep peeling from.
Okay, guys, I'm done at mine. I really like it.
So just keep peeling
So cool.
smoothly.
Mine's so good. But the top.
I like mine.
The bottom.
It's so pretty. Okay, guys, we are all done.
This is the final reveal.
This is the final reveal.
We are also going to do close-ups, so
Yeah.
you guys can see what they look like close
Dom's
up.
not here, so this is Dom's.
Okay.
So I like mine because it looks like a colorful sky. Looks like pretty much sunset because the white and the pink and the blue right here. I really much like mine.
Okay, so I like mine because of this strip right here. It kind of goes like down and then like another strip of purple. And then on this side, I like it because it's all blue and purple. and this side's pink and purple. Yeah, I really like mine. I'm gonna take it everywhere. Try not to drop it though.
I like mine because there's glitter, and I like the purple and the pink, and I like how there's like these little dots that are white and pink and purple, and I like how the top just has little dots of white.
So guys, I like mine because it looks like magmatic lava here, and it has a stripe of orange from the beginning all the way to the end. And I like it because the blue and the red and the orange really show up on the bottle.
We're going to talk about Don because he's not here. So, I like the color and how there's like white spots on it. It makes it look cool.
I like it because it has Spider-Man colors and white spots.
I like Dom's because it looks like a red and blue galaxy, and the white dots remind me of stars.
I like them because it blends in with the white and the lines across it.
So, we hope you liked our DIY
Hydro Dip water bottles.
And if you want to see more, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications from the Cousins Crew!
Yay!